In exercise 7.2, problem number 3. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points -3, 10 and 6, -8 is divided by -1, 6. Okay, here given points are first point take as A -3, 10 and second point take as B 6, -8. See here line segment AB. The point A is -3, 10. The point B is 6, -8. See here once again. See the question. Find the ratio. We have to find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points -3, 10 and 6, 8 is divided by -1, 6. So point -1, 6 divided the line segment AB. We have to find the ratio in which -1, 6 divide the line segment AB. So take this point as a P. So P divides the line segment AB. In what ratio? We have to find that ratio. Okay, by using section formula. Okay, let P -1, 6 divides line segment AB in the ratio M1 is to M2 internally. Okay, let P -1, 6 divides the line segment AB in the ratio M1 is to M2. We have to find the values of M1 and M2 by using section formula. The section formula is P x, y is equal to M1 x2 plus M2 x1 by M1 plus M2, M1 y2 plus M2 y1 by M1 plus M2. See here P of x, y. The point P is -1, 6 is equal to, see here the value of M1 is M1. We have to find M1 and M2. So M1 first point is x1 y1, second point is x2 y2. So the value of x2 is 6. M1 into x2 value 6 plus M2 into the value of x1 is -3 by M1 plus M2, M1 into y2, the value of y2 is -8 plus M2 into the value of y1 value 10 by M1 plus M2. Okay, so that equal to -1, 6 is equal to 6 into M1, 6 M1 plus into minus 3 into M2, 3 M2. See once again, 6 into M1, 6 M1 plus into minus 3 into M2, 3 M2 by M1 plus M2, plus into minus 8 into M1, 8 M1 plus 10 into M2, 10 M2 by M1 plus M2. Okay, observe here. So these 2 points are equal. So x coordinate is equal to x coordinate and y coordinate is equal to y coordinate. Okay, these 2 points are equal. Here x coordinate is equal to x coordinate and y coordinate is equal to y coordinate. Now -1. What is the x coordinate in RHS? The x coordinate is in RHS is this one, that is 6m1 minus 3m2 by m1 plus m2. This is the x coordinate of this point. So 6m1 minus 3m2 by 6m1 minus 3m2 by m1 plus m2 is equal to x coordinate is equal to x coordinate. What is the x coordinate here? -1 is equal to -1. So -1 by 1 cross multiplication. 1 into 6m1 minus 3m2. 6m1 minus 3m2 is equal to -1 into m1 plus m2. Okay, now 6m1 minus 3m2 is equal to -1 into m1 minus m1 minus 1 into m2 minus m2. Okay, -1 into m1 minus m1 and -1 into m2 minus m2. Now transpose minus m1 from RHS to LHS, and similarly transpose minus 3m2 from LHS to RHS. Transpose minus m1 from RHS to LHS and transpose minus 3m2 from LHS to RHS. Okay, 6m1, so minus m1 becomes plus m1, that equal to minus 3m2 becomes plus 3m2 minus m2. Okay, minus m1 becomes plus m1, minus 3m2 becomes plus 3m2. Okay, 6m1 plus m1, 6 plus 1 7, m1 is equal to 3m2 minus m2, 3 minus 1 2, 2m2. See here, 2 into m2 into quantity becomes division quantity. Okay, and similarly here 7 also into quantity, 7 into m1, 7 into quantity becomes division. So m1, so transpose m2 from RHS to LHS and transpose 7 from LHS to RHS. So into quantity becomes division. So m1 by m2 is equal to, here 2, and here also into quantity becomes division. 2 by 7. m1 by m2, it can be written as m1 is to m2, that equal to 2 by 7 means 2 is to 7. So therefore the required ratio is what is the required ratio? 2 is to 7. Okay, so here P minus 1 comma 6 divides the line segment AB in the ratio 2 is to 7. Next, midpoint formula. Next formula is midpoint formula. Midpoint formula. Suppose A x1 comma y1 and B x2 comma y2. AB is a line segment. AB is a line segment. The coordinates of the A is x1 comma y1 and the coordinates of B are x2 comma y2. Okay. Now the midpoint of A and B is the midpoint of the line segment AB is, the formula is x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, the midpoint of the line segment AB is, the formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. That is the midpoint formula. The midpoint of the line segment joining the points A x1 comma y1 and B x2 comma y2 is the midpoint of the line segment joining the points A and B. X1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2 is, the formula is x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the midpoint formula. Okay. Next, fourth problem in exercise 7.2, problem number 4. If 1 comma 2 comma 4 comma y comma x comma 6 and 3 comma 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order, find x and y. See here, 4 points are given. These 4 points are the vertices of a parallelogram. Then we have to find x and y value. Okay. So first draw a parallelogram. Take 4 points as A, B, C and D. We know that in a parallelogram the diagonals are bisect each other. We know that in a parallelogram diagonals are bisect to each other. Bisect each other. Bisect each other. See here, this is a intersecting point. So two diagonals are intersecting here. So take this point as O. Okay. So O is a midpoint of AC. Bisect each other. So it divides two equal parts. Okay. So O is a midpoint of AC and O is also midpoint of BD. Okay. In a parallelogram, two diagonals are bisect each other. So O is the intersecting point of two diagonals. So see here, O is the midpoint of AC and also O is the midpoint of BD. So O is the midpoint of AC and BD. Okay. So see here, the midpoint of AC is O and also midpoint of BD is also O. Okay. So the midpoint of AC and midpoint of BD are equal. What is the condition? Midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. Okay. So now write given points. Given points are, take first point as A, 1 comma 2. Second point take as B, 4 comma y. Third point take as C, x comma 6, and final point is D, that is 3 comma 5. Okay, we have to find x and y values. So what is the given information? These 4 points are the vertices of a parallelogram. So A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. In parallelogram, the midpoint of AC is equal to the midpoint of BD. So midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. Okay, so midpoint formula is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the midpoint formula. See here, midpoint of AC. First we have to find midpoint of AC. So first point A is x1 y1 and C is x2 y2. So we have to find midpoint of AC. So what is the formula? X1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. See here, first point A is x1 y1 and second point C x2 y2. So x1 plus x2, x1 value 1 plus x2 x by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. The value of y1 2 plus y2 6 by 2. Okay, so the midpoint of AC is 1 plus x by 2 comma 2 plus 6 by 2. Now midpoint of BD, so equal to midpoint of BD. Okay, first point B is x1 y1 and second point D is x2 y2. The formula is x1 plus x2 by 2. So the value of x1 is 4 plus x2 3 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2, y1 y plus y2 5 by 2. Okay, so now 1 plus x by 2 comma 2 plus 6, that is 8 by 2 is equal to 4 plus 3 7 by 2 comma y plus 5 by 2. So that equal to 1 plus x by 2, 2 ones are 2 fours are comma 4 is equal to 7 by 2 comma y plus 5 by 2. See here, these 2 points are equal. These 2 points are equal. So x coordinate is equal to x coordinate. X coordinate is equal to x coordinate and y coordinate is equal to y coordinate. So in LHS, what is the x coordinate? 1 plus x by 2. So 1 plus x by 2 is equal to x coordinate is equal to x coordinate. In RHS, the x coordinate is 7 by 2. 7 by 2. So similarly, y coordinate is equal to y coordinate. So in RHS, y coordinate is y plus 5 by 2. Y plus 5 by 2 is equal to, in LHS, y coordinate is 4. Y plus 5 by 2 is equal to 4. So transpose 2 from RHS to LHS. Then division quantity becomes into quantity. So 2 into 1 plus x by 2 is equal to 7. Into by 2, it becomes into 2. Okay. Here 2 in denominator, it becomes into. So transpose 2 from LHS to RHS, division quantity becomes into quantity. So y plus 5 is equal to 4 into 2. Okay. So here 2 cancel. Then 1 plus x is equal to 7. Here y plus 5 is equal to 4 2s are 8. Okay. So x is equal to plus 1 becomes minus 1. 7 minus 1. Y is equal to plus 5 becomes minus 5. 8 minus 5. X is equal to 7 minus 1. 6. And y is equal to 8 minus 5. 3. So therefore the value of x is equal to 6 and the value of y is equal to 3. Okay. Next, problem number 5. In exercise 7.2, problem number 5. Find the coordinates of a point A, where AB is the diameter of a circle whose center is 2, minus 3 and B is 1, 4. AB is the diameter of the circle, center of the circle is 2, minus 3 and the point B is 1, 4. So see here, problem number 5. First draw a circle. Okay, so this is the center of the circle. The center of the circle is 2, 3. Sorry, 2, minus 3. AB is the diameter of the circle. So diameter AB. AB is the diameter of the circle. So the point B is 1, 4. Okay. Find the coordinates of the point A. We have to find coordinates of the point A. And AB is the diameter of the circle. And center of the circle you can take it as C. C is the center of the circle. So the center of the circle C is 2, minus 3. Okay. And the point B is 1, 4. See here, center of the circle C is the midpoint of AB. C is the midpoint of AB. We have to use midpoint formula. Okay, we can use midpoint formula. Find the coordinates of point A. Given center of the circle C is equal to 2, minus 3 and B is equal to 1, 4. Let A is equal to x, y. Take a point A, that is x, y. So AB is the diameter of the circle. AB is the diameter. AB is the diameter of the circle. Observe here. So C is the midpoint of AB. Okay, we have to use midpoint formula. Right here, C is the midpoint of AC. Sorry, midpoint of the diameter AB. Okay, so midpoint formula. Midpoint is equal to, the formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, this is the midpoint formula. So what is the midpoint here? C is the midpoint. So right here, the coordinates of C are 2, minus 3. This is the midpoint of AB. So now AB, first point A is x1, y1. x1, y1 and B is x2, y2. First point A is x1, y1 and second point B is x2, y2. The formula is x1 plus x2 by 2. What is the x1 value here? X. x1 value is x plus x2. The value of x2 is 1 by 2, the value of y1 is y plus the value of y2 is 4 by 2. Okay, x1 plus 1 by 2, y plus 4 by 2. See here, these 2 points are equal. These 2 points are equal. So x coordinate is equal to x coordinate. X coordinate is equal to x coordinate. And y coordinate is equal to y coordinate. Okay, so what is the x coordinate in RHS? X plus 1 by 2. So x plus 1 by 2 is equal to, what is the x coordinate in LHS? That is 2. So x1 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 2, So y coordinate in RHS, the y coordinate is y plus 4 by 2. y plus 4 by 2 is equal to, so in LHS the y coordinate is minus 3. Minus 3. So here 2 division quantity. 2 is in a denominator. So transpose this 2 from LHS to RHS. Division quantity becomes into quantity. So x plus 1 is equal to 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. And here also 2 is in denominator. So by division quantity becomes into quantity. Y plus 4 is equal to 2 into minus 3. 2 3s are 6. Here minus, so minus 6. X is equal to 4 plus 1 becomes minus 1. Y plus 4 is equal to, that is a plus 4 becomes a minus 4. Okay, x is equal to 4 minus 1 3 comma y is equal to minus 4 minus 6 and minus 4 minus 6 minus 4 minus 10. Okay, so therefore the point A x comma y is equal to, the value of x is 3 comma the value of y is minus 10. So the required point A x comma y is equal to 3 comma minus 10.